addition topic. Okay, now subtraction topic. Subtraction we have 3 rules. So first, subtraction means big number minus small number. That means 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 means 3 in the mind, 3 after, still you have, still you count 5. 3 after 4, 5. So your answer is 2. So this one is subtraction. First rule, the number to be subtracted is known as the subtrahend, and the number from which we subtract is known as the minimum. The result is known as the difference. That means, which one is the subtracted? This one is subtracted. So this one is subtrahend. First one, from which we subtracted? From which? 5. So this one is minimum. Then this two you have to do the calculation. We find the answer. You know this answer difference. Okay, this is first concept. Second concept, if 0 is subtracted, 0 is subtracted from any number. Subtracted from any number. From. So 5 minus 0. Subtracted from any number, the number itself. That means your answer is same answer. 5 minus 0 means 5. 8 minus 0, 8. 10 minus 0, 10. Okay. Then third concept, order of the numbers cannot be changed. That means, for example, 5 minus 3. Already you know the 5 minus 3, your answer is 2. Suppose 3 minus 5. You know this difference? We don't know, because subtraction means big number minus small number. Here small number minus big number coming, we don't know the answer for this one. So these two answers are not equal. That means 5 minus 3 not equal to 3 minus 5. Okay. Suppose addition concept, it was same rule, you know, but order of the numbers, that is changed also come to the same answer. For example, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, your answer is 8. 3 plus 5, answer is 8. So both ones are equal. So addition concept, order of changing, we get the same answer. So these two are equal. But subtraction, order of the numbers cannot be changed. That means you have to change it to the calculation. We not get the same answer. These two are not equal. So 5 minus 3 not equal to 3 minus 5. Okay. So 3 concepts, these 3 rules are important. These 3 rules very, very important. Okay. Next exercise. Okay. Now exercise 4.2. First one, subtraction. Okay. First to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So subtraction is big number minus small number. So here 4 minus 2. So 2 after, still you count 4. 2 after 3, 4. How many fingers are there? 2. So your answer is 2. So 4 minus 2 means 2 after, still you count 4. 2 after 3, 4. How many fingers are there? 2 fingers. So your answer is 2. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 3 after 4, 5. So answer 2. 9 minus 4. So this 4 is subtracted from 9. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? 5. Here 5 subtracted from 8. So 8 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 3. 7 minus 2, like 5. Like the same model, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 minus 3, 3. So 3 lakh 53,522. So this is D sum. Next G sum. You write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. borrow. Here 6 changed into 5. Now borrow means 4 changed into 14. Now 14 minus 8. Still 8 after. So you have to still count 14. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So your answer is 6. Now 5 minus 7. 5 is small number, 7 is big number. So this one is not possible. So borrow. From the borrow in the 10,000 column, we are changing into 4. This 5 change into 15. This 5 change into 15. 15 minus 7. So 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now how many fingers? 8. So your answer is 8. Then 4 minus 2. So big number minus small number. So no need for borrow. Subtraction 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 1, 5. So 5 and 20,671. Okay, next sum. H. 5 minus date. So now you write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Okay. 5 minus date. Small number minus big number. So we can't do borrow from here. So this 6 changed into 5. This 5, 15. 5 you have to change it, right? 15. Now 15 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is your answer? 7. Now 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6. So small number minus big number. So we can't do borrow. Borrow means look at this hundreds column. We have 0. So we can't do. First you borrow here or before term. Before term also 1000. Here also we have 0. So first borrow from here. So 2 borrow means is 2 changed into 1 because we reduced 1 term and write it. Reduced to 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. Borrow here means 0 changed into 10. This 0 changed into 10. Now this 10, now borrow here. We reduced 1 number. So 9. This one 10. Okay. Now you borrow. So 9, 10 changed into 9, 5, 15. Now 15 minus 6. So 15 big number, 6 small number. So big number minus small number, 15 minus 6. So you count 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is your answer? 9. Now here 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 1 minus 4. 1 is small number, 4 is big number. So we can't do the subtraction, so borrow. Here 2 means we reduced 1 and write. So 2 minus 1, 1. So this 1 changed into 11. Here we have to reduce and write it. Simultaneously here write it. Here 1 means 11. You add 10. We have to borrow means we have to 10 in the borrowing. 1 means 11, 5 means 15, 4 means 14 like that. So 11 minus 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is your answer? 7. 1 minus 1, 0. So 72,097. Okay. This number, write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So 0 small number minus big number. So we have to borrow. So every number we have the 0, 0, 0. So now we borrow. Here no number means right 0. So borrow. We reduce to 1 means 1 minus 1, 0. Now you borrow here means 0 change into 10. Okay. Now you borrow from here number. So 10 means we reduce 1 and write it. 10 means you have to reduce 1 number. So 10 minus 1, 9. So the 0 changed into 10. Again, we have to do that. So this one is minus 1 means 9. This one changed into 10. Then go. This one is reduced 1 means minus 1, 9. So this 1 small number, you get the answer. Okay. You know these two small numbers. You add these two, you get this first one. What is the first one name? What is the first one name? Minus. Second one, subtrahend. Difference is answer. So you add difference and subtrahend. We get minus. Okay. You add these two. 8 plus 7, 15. 5. Remaining 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Remaining 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 0. Remaining 1. So 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. Remaining 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Remaining 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So you get that this number. So your subtraction is correct. You add these two numbers, you get this one. Okay. So number in your any change means your answer is wrong. Okay. So subtraction very easy, ma. So big number minus small number. So first one is, what is that first number? I some first number 1 lakh. So this one is minus hand. Second one subtrahend. The final result is difference. Okay. So big number minus small number only subtraction. So this 4 sums you copy in your book. Okay. This remaining sums homework that also in your book itself. Okay. Okay, now exercise 4.2, second one, arrange in columns and subtract. So here number is given, you only arrange the column wise, then we want to subtract. Okay, a sum subtract 3089 from 4567. So from means this number only come to first. Okay, then after subtraction means big number minus small number only. Here given sentence, subtract 3089 from 4567. From means this number only come to first. Okay. So now write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So which is the big number here from after that number only come to the first. So and then big number also is only. So write this number. 4567. So second number 3089. So subtraction. So after big number minus small number. So you look at the each and every digits. So here 7, 9. 7 is small number, 9 is big number. So this borrow is, sorry, this subtraction is we come to borrow. So borrow means 6 changed into minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 7, 17. 7 can be changed into 17. So subtraction 9 minus 17. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many fingers totally? 8 fingers. So your answer is 8. 5 minus 8. Like that 5 is small number, 8 big number. So borrow. Here 5 means you reduce 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. So this 5 change into 15. So 15 minus 8. 8 of the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So your answer is 7. So 8 of the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7. So 4 minus 0. 4. You know the second rule. If 0 is subtracted from any number, the result is the number itself only. So 4 minus 0, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So 1478. So this is the answer. B sum. Subtract 4817 from 10,000. So write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Because this one is 10,000. So write 10,000. 10, then 9, this one is 10. 10 minus 9, 10 minus 9, 9 after 10, your answer is 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 0 minus 0, 0. Already told you your answer correct or not. How to check? You add these two numbers, you get answer this one. So 9 plus 1, you add these two numbers. So 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, remaining 1. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, remaining 1. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So you get answer here. So the subtraction is correct. Okay. Now D1 from 2,26,655 subtract 1,07,832. So from after which one comes? That is the first one. Write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So 2,26,655. Here ones column 2, tens 3, hundreds 8, thousands 7, 10,000 0, lakh 1. Subtraction. 5 minus 2, 2 after 3, 4, 5. So your answer is 3. So 2 subtracted from 5, we get the answer 3. Then 3 subtracted from 5. So 5 minus 3, 2. Then 6 minus 8. So small number minus big number. Borrow. So you have to minus 1 here. 6 minus 1, 5. 6 change into 16. 16 minus 8. So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many fingers totally? 8 fingers. So your answer is 8. Now 5 minus 7. So 5 is small number, 7 is big number. So we can't do borrow. So minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. This 5 change into 15. 15 minus 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is the answer? 8. Now 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So 1,18,823. Okay. Next one, F sum. From 5,000 subtract 2,537. From 5,000. So which one is the first 5,000? Because these two numbers, this one will be big number, and from coming means from after that only come to the first. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 5,000. Here 2,537. Subtraction. So as to 0 minus 7, small number minus big number, we can't do. So borrow. Here borrow means the change place we have to borrow. Here also 0, 100 place also 0, thousands place column only we have the number. So you have to borrow. So borrow means 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 means 4. The 0 change into 10. Okay. This 10 you have to borrow. Here more number 0, huh? So you borrow from 100 place. So 100 place we have 10. So we reduce 1 means 9. So this 0 change into 10. Now we go to start 1 place. 0 minus 7 is we can't do the subtraction. So borrow. Here number is 10. So borrow means here we reduce to 1 number. 10 minus 1, 9. So this 0 change into 10. So 10 minus 7, in your classroom. Okay, copy. Okay, now third one. If the suprahand is 5432 and the minuend is 16308, find the difference. Okay, now you arrange the column and do the subtraction. So which one is come to the first? Suprahand or minuend? Minuend is the first, then suprahand is the second one. So big number minus small number. So write the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, so which one is the big number? This is the big number. So mine one is the first. So 16,308. Second one, ones column 2, tens 3, hundreds 4, thousands 5. So now 10,000 column write 0. Find the difference means subtraction. Okay, find the difference means subtraction. Now 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. This is what will come. So big number minus small number. So 2 of the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 6. 0 minus 3. So small number minus number. So we can't do the difference. So we have to borrow from the hundreds place. So you have to borrow means here 3 minus 1, your answer is 2. So here 0 change into 10. So 10 minus 3, 7. 2 minus 4, small number minus big number. So borrow. This 6 change into 5. 2 becomes 12. So we have to borrow 1 here. So 12. 12 minus 4. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is your answer? 8. How many fingers? That is your answer. 8. 5 minus 5? 0. 1 minus 0. So if 0 is subtracted from any number, the result is the number itself. So 1 minus 0, 1. So what is your difference? Find the difference. What is the difference? So 10,876. Okay, like fourth sum. So if the minuend is 27,509 and the suprahand is 10,008, find the difference. So which one is the first? This one or this one? This is the first. Minus of suprahand. So write the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So which is the big number? 27,000. So minuend is the first. So you subtract from this one. So 9, 0, 5, 7, 2. This number ones place. 9 ones, 8 tens, 0 hundreds, 0 thousands, 1 10,000s. Subtraction. So 9 minus 9, 0. Same number subtraction, you get the answer 0. Here 0 minus 8. So small number minus big number. Borrow. So you borrow from hundreds place. Here 5 means we reduce 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. 0. 0 becomes 10 or change into 10. So 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8, your answer is 2. 4 minus 0, 4. So you subtract any number. If 0 is subtracted from any number, the result is the number itself. You know the rule. So 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 0, 7. 2 minus 1, 1. So your answer 17,420. Okay. So these two sums you copy in your classroom. Okay. Now fifth one. Find the missing numbers. So already know this to how to check this your subtraction is correct or not. So you add these two terms. So this two term you add, we get this one. So you add suprahand and the difference, you get the big number minus small number. So 6 minus 4, 2. So 2 minus 1, like big number minus small number. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, so now we find the missing numbers here. Now we check this answer is correct or not. So do the 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 2, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. So your answer is correct. Okay, second one. This is minus 1. This is supplement. This is difference. So these two columns are given boxes. So now we will fill. Now subtraction. So this is as usual. So 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. Here 3 minus 2. So big number minus small number. 3 minus 2, your answer is 1. Now 4 minus 6. So small number minus big number. So this one we can't do the subtraction. So subtraction means big number minus small number only. So here no small number coming. This one is coming to 14. Like, okay. So 14 means borrowing. Here change it into 6 minus 1, 5. Now you subtract these two numbers. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 means 6 on the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers here? 8 fingers. So your answer is 8. So this box coming 8. So now 5 minus 3. As usual, big number minus small number. 5 minus 3, 2. Here 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. So now check. You add these two numbers, we get this one. Now we have to check these two. 8 plus 0, 8. 1 plus 2, 3. 8 plus 6. So 8 plus 6, 14. 4. Remaining 1. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. So your answer is correct. Okay. So this third sum, fourth sum, you copy in your classwork note. This A sum, B sum, find the missing number. This one you copy in your book. Okay. Next one, sixth one, simplify. Okay, simplification means we have the combination of addition and subtraction. Here given one rule: add the terms with the plus sign, add the terms with the minus sign, and then find the difference. If no sign is given before the first term, it is understood to be positive. That means plus. For example, this is 72. 45, first add plus terms, then add minus terms, then find difference. Okay, so look at this case sum. Plus 432 minus 15,463. Okay. Now, first, this no sign means what is this? Plus sign. So this first plus terms, 2 terms are given. So first you add these two, you find our answer. You know this number from the answer how to subtract. Okay. Now, answer. First write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 8 hundreds, 2 thousands. This second number. How many ones? 2 ones, 3 tens, 4 hundred. Thousands column is not there. Put 0. So these two number add. Positive terms we have to add. 4 plus 2. 4 after 6, 7. Sorry, 4 after 5, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 4, 8 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, 2 here, 1 carry over. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 0, 3. So your answer 3,276. So this two term you have to add, get the answer 3,276. Okay. So now sorry, here one number is missing. So here 28,244. So 28,000 lakhs column is there. Sorry, 10,000 column is there. 28,244. Here put another one 0. So as usual 4 plus 3 7. 2 plus 4 6. 8 plus 0 8. 2 plus 0 2. So your answer 28,676. So I missed one number now. So your question 28,244. So this is 5-digit number. This is 3-digit number. So you write the places. Then arrange the columns properly. Don't write zigzag. Write straight. Then do addition. 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 3 7. 2 plus 4 6. 8 plus 0 8. 2 plus 0 2. 28,676. So this two term you add and get 28,676. Then you can subtract this one. So this number minus this number. So what is this number? So write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So 28,676. So another number, which one? This one is subtraction. So 3 ones, 6 tens, 4 hundreds, 5 thousands, 1 10,000. So this one is subtraction. So 6 minus 3, 3. find the difference of the result and this number. So second one, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, no last column, right? 0. Now you add this two number and this two number. 0 plus 1, 1. 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 0, 1. So your answer 1,83,381. Now find the difference of this number and this one. Okay. So one, which is the big number here? 3,25,648 minus 1,83,381. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So 3,25,648. You will find, you know that add the negative terms. So what is the add the negative terms answer? 1,83,381. So this will find the subtraction difference. Find the difference. So 8 minus 1, 7. 4 minus 8, small number minus big number. We can't do the subtraction, we have to borrow. So this one 14, here change it into 5. 14 minus 8, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 8, small number minus big number, we can't do borrow. So this one change into 12, 3 change into 2. 12 minus 8, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. So 1,42,267. Okay. Or another one way, first to subtract from this two, first to find the difference of this two number. If we get one answer, you know, that answer from that answer is subtract this one. That also simplification only. But here given the rule, add the positive terms and add the minus terms, then find the difference. So here given two terms of minus. So you add these two number first, then you find the difference of first number and this answer. Okay, this one copy in your class book note. You arrange the columns properly. Two calculations are there. Okay, here given 3 numbers. So next 4 numbers. Okay, you copy in your class book without mistake. So next one is first you arrange the positive terms and the negative terms. Okay. So 54,286 plus term 42,152, then minus term 21,095, then minus term 63,189. Now you add the positive term, then you add the negative term and find the difference. Now you add this two number. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 54,286. Second number 42,152. You add these two terms. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. Next is negative terms. You add the negative term. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 21,095, 63,189. You add these two terms. So 5 plus 9, 14. 1 carry over. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 8, 18. 1, 2, 4, 8. Now you find the difference of this two number. Then you find the difference of this two number. Hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, 96,438, 84,284. Find the difference. So 8 minus 4, 4. 3 minus So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 6 16, 1 carry over, 1